Welcome to 4040 Roundup Ridge here in the prestigious reserve at Rivers Pointe Estates in Hebron, Kentucky. This one-of-a-kind property was a showstopper in the 2019 Cavalcade of Homes, and today I'm excited to take you inside this remarkable home and show you what it's like to live not just in this stunning house, but also in the vibrant northern Kentucky area. Set on an expansive 1.8-acre lot, this 4-bedroom ranch combines authentic character with every modern luxury you could dream of. With over 4,200 square feet of living space, this home is designed for both comfort and entertainment. All right, let's say you're a buyer in the $1 to $2 million range and you're looking in northern Kentucky. There's a couple different areas you can look at. There's kind of Fort Thomas, Kentucky. You can look at luxury condos down by the river, so think Covington or Newport. Then as you move out from downtown, you have Villa Hills, which was kind of the luxury area, but it was built maybe 30, 40 years ago. You keep moving out. There's been a lot of growth in Union, Kentucky in the last 35 years. Triple Crown Country Club was really the premier country club in the area and premier neighborhood in the area. So a lot of people like moving down to Union. You've got a lot of amenities there and a lot of growth. And lastly, you can kind of choose here in Hebron, Rivers Pointe Estates. What's great about Rivers Pointe Estates is it's a very unique community. There's a huge vision here for the future development of this area. You've got all the hiking and equestrian trails. It's different than a golf club-based neighborhood, right? So if you're a discerning buyer, Rivers Pointe Estates might be the perfect spot to get into now. Let's check it out. All right, let's start with the great room. The open floor plan is flooded with this great natural light thanks to these oversized windows that are perfectly framing breathtaking views of the Ohio River. 9-foot ceilings on both the main and lower levels make every room feel even more spacious and inviting. All right, let's transition into something I know you want to see, which is this amazing kitchen. I also want to point out this impeccable custom cabinetry. There's also individually zoned speakers in the ceiling throughout the house. So whether you're preparing a meal for family or you're hosting a dinner party, this space really delivers. All right, one of my favorite features about this home is the outdoor living spaces. And you have 2 covered areas, both up here and below, screened in up here, unscreened down below. But this is just a great place to enjoy your morning coffee, enjoy these beautiful views of the Ohio River, or if you're having friends over, perfect place to grill out and have a barbecue. All right, now the master bedroom is your personal sanctuary. It's beautiful, spacious, serene, and the bathroom, it's pure luxury. Come on, let's check it out. From the freestanding tub to the oversized picture window with more of those stunning river views. Finally, you have a massive walk-in closet with custom shelving, which is a dream come true. All right, you guys are gonna fall in love with the lower level of this house. You've got 2 extra bedrooms, a full bathroom. You got this amazing wet bar entertainment center, a huge family room where you can watch movies, you can have game night, and you've got walkout access to the back patio. It's a perfect place to have people come over to entertain, or if you just want to throw the kids down here so that you can have a little bit more peace and quiet upstairs, great place for the kids to play. And this community is continuing to grow and develop. Just last summer, the brand new pool space opened up. There's an Orange Theory Fitness going in. So all this gathering and social space is being developed right here in this unique community. All right, so let's talk location a little bit here at Rivers Pointe. You are 10 minutes from CVG. Shopping, you're gonna be 15 minutes from Crestview Hills Town Center. That's where you do a lot of your shopping. You're about 20 minutes to downtown Cincinnati, so you've got everything there. Restaurants, you know, the Reds, the Bengals, FC Cincinnati. You can enjoy that scene in downtown Cincinnati. And then regionally, you know, we're right in between Columbus, Dayton, Indianapolis. But more importantly, here in Kentucky, you are in horse country, right? You are in bourbon country. And this is a great place, a great location to enjoy both of those things. All right, a few other amenities that I want to share that I absolutely love about the house. In the basement, plenty of room for at least 1 or 2 home offices. You've got a home gym. You've got an entire house water filtration system. Up here in the garage, you've got epoxy floor. It's not only 1 or 2 stall, you've got a 3-stall car garage here. And then follow me, because over here on the side of the house, there's one other thing I want to show you. So one of the additional amenities that I love about this house is they have a Generac whole house generator. So if your power does happen to go out, you're going to be sitting pretty either way. All right, guys, there you have it. Can you picture yourself here, waking up to these amazing views, enjoying all the hiking trails, the horseback riding, and just this area of Northern Kentucky where you're close to downtown, close to the airport, and all that this area has to offer you. This home offers modern luxury, but it's also just a great place to raise a family and host family and friends. So if you're ready to make 4040 Roundup Ridge your new home, give us a call at Team Sztanyo, 513-813-6293, or you can email us directly at info@teamsztanyo.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.